how to use Midjourney AI art generator for free. In order for you to use Midjourney AI, the first thing that you need to do is to download Discord on your PC. If you have Discord, you can skip this step, but if you don't have Discord in your laptop or your PC, go to your browser and search for download Discord. Go to Discord and you can either download it for Windows, or if you have Mac, you will get the Mac option here. And simply click on download for Windows, and installation file will be downloaded, and click on the installation file, the Discord will be installed. And after downloading the Discord, the next thing to do is to go to Discord app. Open the Discord app, and after that go to explore public servers, and here search for Midjourney, or you will be able to see Midjourney somewhere here. Since I'm already joined here, there is no welcome screen for me, but for you, if you're new, there will be a welcome screen, and you can just drag around or look around the Midjourney. And after that, at the top, you will see the Join Midjourney option. And after clicking that option, you will be able to join, and you can use prompts to generate images. In order to generate the image, click on /imagine. This is the prompt, and give your prompt.